All right, so we just had 8:30 news happen. Today's the 26th, right here. So we just had this news happen. So there's a current volatility being injected into the markets right now. So you already know my bias for GJ right now is very, very bullish, weekly bullish, previous engulfing, daily still bullish. Yeah, but however, look where we currently are. And then I want to just come into the fib level because we already know the directional bias, right? So we had this level that was resistance was being created, but then we broke it with these candles right here. So that's why I adjusted my fib. So now we're 0.8 from the bottom, the last higher low to the current level. All right, cool. So still in the bullish fib. We dipped past 38.2. What else do we need? This is what's getting me right now. So with my third rule, I'm supposed to take trades from a supply and demand level that's seen on the 8 hour or more. So what is this? No, get away. Okay, hold on. Because it doesn't say to not trade at resistance. So let's say I was looking at that level. Ugh. What I'm trying to do is find the level of liquidity that I'm okay to take trades in. What I don't like about this trade is it's high. Like, you got all of this stuff to the left. I feel like I'm forcing. Oh, I don't think this is a break and retest on the 8 hour. Actually, no, it's not a break and retest on the 8 hour, but it is a break and retest on the 1 hour time frame. So this trade is a little bit weird to me right now. Like if I was going based off of like the fib, I think it'd be a great trade, especially since the 1 hour, all we did was what this is. If this close is nice and strong and bullish in 20 minutes, that's a strong double bottom to continue to go bullish. That's what that is. But I'm also looking to the left and just like, I know who's there and I don't want to take the chance. It's not a high probability trade, me taking it. Like it's just not. If price wants to come back down here and then slowly make a transition that I can see and identify on the 10-minute or 15-minute or 30-minute chart, then that would be for me more so a high probability trade. So what is my verdict with this? Damn. Because of course, yes, we want to always trade and not miss opportunities, but we also don't want to put ourselves in situations that may not be the best. Because if I'm supposed to be taking trades on a from a high probability standpoint, it's just I don't think that where we went or where we currently are is indicative of a higher probability trade. I just don't see it. I just don't see it, but that's okay. Yeah. So anyhow, I have a buy bias for GJ, but in a perfect world, it would come down here. And I honestly think that I'll be like I just I can't take this trade. We can't take it. We can't do it. Because it's not a clear, clean break and retest seen on this time frame. Like I need price to like as if it was here. We created resistance, we broke out, and then we retested. We did the same thing here. Well, same thing here. Actually, it not even. Yeah, I'm just waiting for price to really come on a level of support. The funny thing is it actually did it. It came to a level of support, and you could see that on the 8 hour because it's right here where price made its last higher low, which is also very strong. But again, my rules. I can't take this is not a demand level. at least on a higher time frame. This is simply just support and valid too. So when price came here, I saw it and I was like, damn, it could be a really good level because at the end of the day, higher lows maintain an uptrend and it could easily continue bullish from here. However, I think again I would have to specify and clarify my rules because no, I don't think I do. It's just not my trade. I'm not even gonna try to force it. Because that's one thing I will try to do is try to justify that I could take a trade today when it looks like this. Like, bitch, sit down. Anyways, for gold, I realized I think I could have taken a gold trade yesterday, but I missed it. So we have little level of resistance here, little level of resistance here. I want to see, okay, I got one in here. That's nice. We came into this level. Now the only thing I need to see now is that bullish transition, that double bottom. So yeah. Yeah. So double bottom engulfing. And then let's go ahead and put this little, I can't do it. I can't. Let's see. Do I see all? I see like, for example, what I see right now on price action, it looks beautiful to continue bullish. Beautiful. Again, the only thing that's doing it for me is where we currently are. It doesn't make sense. It is not the highest probability trade. It could be better. It could have been like yesterday or 2 days ago when price came to that level during Tokyo and use that. And I couldn't take advantage of it because my rules were just like, New York session. And I am doing very good with following my rules. And at the end of the day, that's really all that matters. Just can you follow your rules on a consistent basis, and not just 2 days in a row, 3 days in a row. So yeah, bullish bias for gold after I see a transition, bullish bias for GJ, but I do not like where it's at, so I don't think I'll be taking the trade. We have more news at 9:20. Look forward to seeing what it do then. And there you go. Price could very well continue bullish from here. And it looks nice on the 1 hour. Well, it hasn't closed yet, but it could. So I look so forward to seeing how candle price is gonna close in the next 15 minutes here, and then seeing what happens here. But again, I can't even take this until here we go. So that is my plans for today. I'll just be sitting on the sidelines waiting, or not even sitting on the side. I'm gonna be going ahead and doing what I need to do around the house so that I'm not sitting idly in front of the trades. For that is one of the beginning initial triggers of FOMO. Sitting idly in front of the charts, who would have thought? Especially when price hasn't done what I need. Like I know exactly what price needs to do in order for me to enter the trade, and we're just not even. I'm at least 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes to an hour away from seeing that play out. So yeah, happy trading, everybody.